all objects, at least the ones that are in the way. Next thing we're going to do is peel off the carpet. And then we're going to proceed by painting the walls. So there we go, I'm going to pause it. And now we're going to paint the walls. Walls, you'd want to patch up any holes or unevenness with the mud. And that way, when you paint it, it will be smooth. And now we're going to continue by peeling the carpets. The frame around, just make sure that when you throw out the frame around that you are very careful, because there will be lots of nails and it would be dangerous. And make sure you take out all the staples that are left in the ground before you go to the next step. We've also removed the baseboards and the staples on the floor. Did you sand down the ground? Did you sand the floor? So we vacuumed the floor out of all the dust. So now we're going to be painting the walls so that we don't get any paint on the hardwood. And then after done finishing painting the walls, we're going to install the hardwood floor. Now we're just evening out the trim. So we're evening out the trim. And vacuuming up the dust! And vacuuming up the dust so that we can prepare for the hardwood floor installation. Laminate hardwood floor. And the quarantine! During quarantine, Corona and Lyme go hand in hand. Done?
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, go ahead.